Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. Okay, so I'd like you to give this a thumbs up, share the video, and subscribe please if you haven't subscribed. I'm waiting to welcome you, okay? And check out my links below if you'd like to support this channel in any way. Okay, so we're going to make stuffed turkey. Remember, if you go back, I did a video showing you how I bought a turkey breast for $13.27 and how we're going to get 5 dishes out of that turkey breast. So this is dish number 4. And so we're going to, I have the turkey cutlet that I cut off of that breast. And the total cost for these 4 cutlets and all the other turkey meat for each video that I've done so far cost $2.65 when you break down that $13.27. Now you can't beat that, right? Okay, so I got the cutlet, right? And we're gonna put stuffing on top of the cutlet and we're gonna bake it. So that's what you're in a treat for right now. Let me show you how we're going to get that done. And of course the presentation at the end so that when you have your company, they can just ooh and ow and love it. They're just going to love it. Okay? Alright, so let's do it. You know what? Why don't I give you the word of the day right off the bat. I know you're waiting on it. Okay? So the word of the day is why I do the word of the day. I do the word of the day to encourage someone, to give someone some love, to have you to think about some things, to bring some things to your attention. The word of the day do all of those things. And although I'm not there with you, I'm there on this video, and maybe the word of the day will help you throughout the day or throughout your struggles so that you have someone that understands and someone that is giving you some encouragement. Now that's the word of the day. Enjoy that, would you? Okay, let's do our stuffed turkey. Thanks. Okay. So here's our 4 pieces of turkey cutlet that I cut off the turkey breasts. Would you believe? $2.65? Come on now, that's great. Okay, so now we're going to make the stuffing. I have a half a bag of herb seasoned stuffing, okay, by Pepperidge Farm. Switch some things around. Okay. All right. I have some celery here. I took some celery stock, which was about maybe 4 celery stalks, and I put it in the food processor, and I have it down to this very fine point. But you can just use regular celery if you don't have a food processor. 1, 2, 3 heaping tablespoons of celery. Okay. I have some onion paste here. You take an onion, you put it in the food processor with olive oil, and that's how you get onion paste. 1, 2 heaping tablespoons of onion paste. Okay, now I have some chicken base, chicken broth, chicken base. Okay, looks like that. Mine's a powdered form. 1, 2 heaping tablespoons of chicken base. Okay, now 1 second. So now I have some poultry seasoning, okay? Well, that's about a tablespoon of poultry seasoning. Okay, now we're going to add some water. Okay, that's about, I would say, an ounce of water so far. I'm definitely going to need more, I can see that now. I'm going to add some more. Okay, I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me show you this. This is our stuffing. Okay. Okay. You don't want it watery and you don't want it real thick. See how fast it dropped off the spoon? Not too fast, right? Took a few seconds. See? Okay. Alright, now let's season our meat. Let's go with some garlic and herb. Some black pepper. And I want to do some Lawry's seasoning salt. Lawry's seasoning salt. Okay, let's turn that over. Do the same thing on the other side. Same seasonings. That was Lawry's. This is black pepper. Garlic and herb. Okay, now this is our pan. I already put some olive oil in the bottom of the pan. Let's put our cutlets right in. Okay, our cutlets are in the pan. Alright, now you're going to just take your stuffing and just lay it right on the top. Kind of pack it down a little so it doesn't go anywhere. You want your presentation to look like, you got stuffing on the top of it, right? You notice how I'm pressing it in on all the sides? Doing my last one. You notice how I'm trying to keep it separated? Any extra you have, just see where you're lacking and go and add that there. Okay, that's what we're looking like. Okay, we're going to put this in the oven on 400 until the temperature reach 165, okay? Alright, and we'll be back. Thanks. Okay guys, our stuffed turkey is out. It has reached the temperature of 165, and we have some complimentary cranberry sauce to go with that. How about that, huh? Now that looks pretty good, right? Put that on your table. Okay, so let me taste it for you. Will you? 1 second. Okay, guys. Have the stuffing, the turkey, and the cranberry sauce. Wow. Got me ready for Thanksgiving. Really, really, really good. I like the idea of the cranberry sauce to go with it, to complement it. The stuffing is nice and moist due to the celery and the onion. And the turkey comes right through. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Well, there you go. For $2.65 worth of turkey. You gotta love it, right? Okay, see you next time. Love you, love you, love you. Please share the videos so that you can share Thanksgiving in another way. You share the video, and now you've given something to the next family and the next family and the next family. All right. Thumbs up. Love you. Bye.